Okay, not sure if you've ever seen Alfred Hitchcock The Birds, but this bird is just like kicking it with me while I'm washing my bike. He's like checking out my bike. Does it pass inspection, homie? Yeah, look at the chain. I just cleaned it. Is it good? Oh, he says it needs a little lube. Yeah, I'll go ahead and lube this up right here. He's pecking at my chain. And I was sitting there on the ground. The dude comes up right behind me, like within 6 inches of me. But he practically hits me with his wings. He's still coming toward me. I mean, the dude's freaking me out. Homie, you're not wired like most birds. I don't know what you want. It's like a little bit further than an arm's length away, but curiosity killed the bird. Dude, okay, this guy's a freak. Let's go and check out my 250. You like that one better? You're a strange blue jay. Alright, homie, I'm gonna get back to detailing my bike. Don't peck me. I'm busy. Dude! See that? It's freaking me out. You crazy weirdo bird? What do you want? Dude. I'm gonna have to give him a dose of the pressure washer. Let's see what the pressure washer will do. So we got the pressure washer here. Oh, I wish I could fire this thing up and just blast him one. Okay. Okay, the attack is on, buddy, because I gotta finish this job and you're freaking me out. Alright. Game over. I win.